I'd like to say something that I've prepared tonight.
Right.
And my wolf pack, it grew by one. Hello? How about that ride in? I guess that's why they call it
Lake of the Ozarks.
Nah, it'll work. All right, this business, Suge. Come on, man.
Anyway, what's this you working on, cuz? I like this.
So look, you know, it's a new track for this new movie.
And I came to get up on here, homie. What up?
I feel like everybody has a family. I mean, everybody doesn't have relatives. You may or may not have a dad or a mom or whatever, but you got something or someone you're loyal to or who's loyal to you.
Most important thing in business is honesty, integrity, hard work, family. Never forgetting where we came from.
But when you come together, form a team, a unit, it can only go further.